Hi, welcome to Rameshsoft video tutorials. Myself, this is Ramesh. In this video, we will talk about what is repository in Git and what is the use of it, right? So before you want to move your local code into remote area, that is GitHub, right? So we should have a repository. A repository is a place where we can maintain our code in centralized way, right? Yes, now see here how to create a repository and all those things in GitHub. We'll see it. Now see here, just open google.com, just here type github. Just now see here now what I'm doing it now. So this is the official website of GitHub, right? Click on this GitHub. Now see here, so for the first time, right, if you want to use this GitHub, right, you need to have a user. Okay, so we need to have a user. Now I don't till now I don't have any account in this. Now let me create one account. Now see here, click on what now, sign up for GitHub. Just click on here. Now I'm entering some name as a Ramesh. Now come down here. Now I'm entering, what is that? Yes, now here after that I'm entering username may only contains alpha numeric characters or single and within. Now next one, email. Now let me give email Rameshsoft online at gmail.com. After that I'm giving password, right? Something I'm giving password, something you can give it, right? Anything you can give it, that's your choice. Okay, so some password I give it here now. After that, right, click on what now, create account. So remember that one, your username and password. Click on create account. So something there, problems creating your account. Login may only contains alphanumeric account for single iPhone. So let me right, I'm avoiding spaces, I'm removing spaces. Now click on what now, so let me enter password, something I'm entering here, and click on what now, create account. Yes, never save it. Now come down here. Now it's asking something like choose your personal plan, unlimited public repositories for free, or you want private. So I don't want private, so we need to make out some payment, right? I don't want to do that, right? Now click on what now, continue. And the third one is asking some options, right? So what do you plan, something like that. Okay, how would you describe your level of programming, something that depends on you, go on with your something. I'm making it as a some totally new, something like project development, and something like I'm a professional, something like that. I'm writing something. Now click on what now, submit, or if you want you can skip this step as well. Click on submit. Right, now this is my GitHub. Here it is the GitHub area, right? So now before you want to work with the GitHub, right, you need to have a what, account, user. I created a user, right? Yes. Now in this GitHub, right, we are going to maintain our code. That code should be there as a part of an area called, what is that, repository. In GitHub, repository is a place where we can maintain our code, where the different users can what, communicate with each other, right? Now if you want to maintain the code in this remote GitHub, we need to have a what, repository. Remember, now click on new repository. Now it's asking some repository name, right? Now so under this Ramesh Anapati is the what, owner. Under this I'm creating one repository, something like that. I'm creating online test, my repository name, right? a description, something give it. So this is online demo on Git tutorials. Not mandatory one, it is an optional. So I'm making this one as a what now? A public, right? Now, so that anyone can use this repository. Now click on what now? Create repository. So now the repository will be created. Yes, now repository will be there. Here have you observed? Here one thing is there, HTTPS, and one more is what? SSH. I'll talk, right? So what is this and all those things, right? Now the repository is ready, right? If you want to interact with the repository, right, this is the URL, right? So github.com. So this is the URL. Just observe here now. Just here. So this is what now? This is what? URL, and this is a user, and this is a what? My repository. What is my repository? Online test. Good. Now observe here, boss. Now once it is done, right? Now observe here now. Go to your Eclipse. Just open the Eclipse. Now let me create one project. So already one project is there, online batch. Now under this src folder, let me create one package. So new a package. I'm giving package name as a com dot Rameshsoft dot automation dot git. Click on finish. Now let me create one class under this package, new. I'm creating one class as a git test. Click on what now? Finish. Yes. Now the class is created. Let me increase the font size. Go to Windows, Preferences, and General, and Appearances, Color Sign Fonts under Basic. Come down. So here, click on Text. Click on Edit. Make it to 16. Now good. Right, now observe here, boss. Let me write some dummy code here. I'm writing here something like that. MAIN control space. Now observe here now. Seems like a bit slow. Yeah. Now click on main method. Now let me write sys of. I'm writing hello. Welcome to Rameshsoft. Right. Let us assume that this is my project. Right. This is my project I created, and let us assume that I automated one test case or something. I did some development. Now, how to move this code, this local code, to what? A repository, right? A remote repository, right? Now I want to move this project to what now? This repository under this. Where is that? Online test. Now see here how I can do that. So here we are going to explain with two levels. One is git bash, and one more with what? Windows command prompt, right? So what is the standardized procedure is there to move this code to the what? Remote, right? So we have some standard steps are there, boss, right? What is the first one you have to do it is first open the command prompt. End to end we'll talk in the coming videos, but just get some basic idea. So open command prompt, right? So in this command prompt, right? So here I'm talking with the Windows command prompt. Here what I'm going to do it is you need to tell to the Git who you are. That is, you have to set up what now? Username and password. Your username and password. That is to tell Git who you are. That's why we need to configure the what? Your email address and the what? Username. Right? Now see here. Because so that whenever you commit the code, right, you can track the what? Your commit messages and something, etc. Right? We'll see. Now how we can do that? Right? How we can do that one, right? Just observe here now. Just go to command prompt and type the standard syntax is there. What is the standard syntax? Observe here now. Observe here now. So git space config space global space user dot name space what is username, right? So there I gave as a Ramesh Anapati Telugu, and the next one is what? Configure email, right? How I can do that? We have a standard command called git config hyphen global user dot what email. So what is the email? So just now I created user, right? So that you have to give it Rameshsoft online at gmail.com right? Now see here what I'm doing it now. So do it now. What I'm doing it now, see here now. So just do it that steps. Git config hyphen global user dot name. What is the username? I'm giving Ramesh Anapati Telugu. Now click on enter. Yes, username is done. Now in the same way I want to configure what now? Email. Git config global level. I'm configuring what is that? User dot email. What is the email? Rameshsoft online at gmail.com. Enter. Now we are done with what now? Configuring the username. And when you want to interact with the GitHub, the first we need to have it what? A repository. A repository is a place where we can maintain our code, where we can interact what? A team can interact what? A common place is called what? A repository, right? So if you want to move code from local to what? Remote level in the GitHub, first step we should have it what? Repository. Once it is done, configure the what? Username and what? Email at what level? Global level. So 2 steps are done or not? Yes. In the coming video, we will talk about some git commands and all those things, and then we jump into what? Git operation. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you so much.